Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, 𝕖𝒊𝒊𝒊𝒊𝒊. I'm Elle and I gamify life and ocean so your to-do list feels less like a task manager and more like a dopamine machine. Let's cozy up and plan like it's a game. So today we'll be building a gamified template and I'll show you the basics of how to build one for your own. So before you build one, here are the things you should consider. So firstly, we should decide which part of your life you want to gamify. This should be something you're really determined to work on. For example, waking up late, not starting tasks, analysis paralysis, executive dysfunction. And then the second step is to decide what rewards you want for yourself, whether in game or in real life or both. And lastly, you should search within yourself what motivated you before and if it can be gamified. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first, we will create a new page and then we'll create 3 databases. One for quests, another for your reward system, and another for your avatar. So just to give you a preview, this is what my current quest looks like. This is my quest name and the points I will gain once I complete the quest and complete buttons. I do have a different button for my bad habits, as I call them, just to make things simple. So whenever I did a bad habit, I click on gave in and I will basically lose points. I have another button for my work quests, which is postpone task, and I will also lose points for that. And now for my reward system, I created a shopping mall where I can claim break time because I usually feel guilty whenever I take a break without finishing a task. So every time I claim an item here, I can literally tell myself that I earned this reward. And I have 2 buttons where I can claim an item or refund an item. So how do I find out that I already have enough to claim any of the items here? I make sure I have enough coins, which is on my avatar, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and start creating our quest database. First, we create a page. Don't fuss yet about how you'll design the page. We'll just focus on the 3 database for now. So let's use small font, full width, and then choose this font for now. So we should type the title that you want for your gamified page, then hit enter twice, just to leave a space before you create the database. And then type / and choose database full page. Name the database quests for now. You can change this anytime. It will open the database. So one of the things we love in Notion is its high-end customization, even in the free version. So this is a free version we're using so far. It's giving me everything I need. I do have some pet peeves, but that will be another topic. So basically what we want in a quest is their name, the difficulty, the kind of quest they are, how much points we want to gain each time we complete it. So those are the properties that we will be needing. For the difficulty, we can create a tags property. There should be a select type of property instead of the multi-select, meaning you can choose more than one level of difficulty. So let's add easy, medium, difficult, hardcore, just for fun. And next is this type of quest is a multi-select property. So you can choose more than one tag. For now, we'll do life, work, chill, luxury. And if you're a student who wants to do a study quest, we'll also add school. And then we'll be needing a checkbox property and a date property as well. So just a preview on my avatar, I also included HP and MP just for fun. But the most useful for now is XP and coins, so let's create a few quests just to start. Now, let's create the database for our mall from our original page. We'll just repeat the first few steps of creating a database from this page and let's name it rewards. Now, the properties we want should be the name, price, reward points, item, and another checkbox. Price and reward points should all be number properties. There are other properties we will need to create, but let's create our avatar database first. This way, when we add properties to these 3 that will connect each other, it will work the way it should. So let's just name this as avatar. Here's how mine looks like. This is where I level up, collect all coins, and tell me how much XP I need to reach the next level. I also added how much money I have for my Etsy sales and also my daily check-in streak. Now here's where all the properties will revolve around. Formulas, roll-ups, and relations. Like first wife, the third wife, kidding. So let's do the relations first because this property will let us connect this database to the two we just created. So we'll edit this existing property to relation, choose the quest database, no limit, and then turn the two-way relation on, and then label it avatar. So another relation property is our rewards database. Again, no limit, and then turn the two-way relation on, and then leave the label as it is. Two-way relation just means we're adding another properties column on those two databases. I'll show you later. So now we'll add formula properties for the following. So we want to add up the XP, the coins. We want to figure out our avatar level and figure out how much we've spent for our rewards. So before we go on, make sure you save this video and subscribe to my channel so you can get more tutorials like this. So, okay. So moving on, we will name the avatar, then add existing quest here in this relation column. And here's how the XP formula goes. Basically, we'll want it to add all the XP of the quest we've completed. Let's go back to our quest database and check or complete some of our quests. Now in our avatar, let's see if it will reflect that we've completed a number of quests and how much our XP and coins should be. And now we will edit the points of the ones we've completed and it should update our avatar. Okay, so far it's working. Now here's for the coins. We will need two properties for this. One is to calculate how much we got from the quest, and one is how much we have spent after buying rewards. It can go the same as the XP formula, but this time for coins. So let's go. Another formula is we'll subtract our rewards coins from our quest coins so that it will show us how much we have left. We'll also add an indicator of how many more coins we need to afford an item. To do this, we need to make sure that our total coins will reflect our quest coins. It's a kind of a bit of kind of route step. So we will need quest coins to buy an item, but we need the coins we spent to reflect on the total, and we need it to remain like that until we buy the next item. So basically, on the first item, we will need the quest coins to buy it. However, we will need the remaining coins to be able to reflect how much we have left to be able to afford the rest of the reward items that we want to buy. Now, going back to our avatar, let's add another property. What it will do is it can tell us we've leveled up because of the XP we've gained. Here's how it will go. Each threshold will basically give us a title that we want. So if we reach level 1, this is our title, and so on and so forth. Now on our quest, and you can also do this on your rewards, by the way, let's create a template that will just populate some of the fields automatically, like this avatar column. Every time we create a reward item, it will automatically connect to our avatar. So for example, we created 3 items. Let's fill in some of the fields. Okay, so now we're done with the 3 databases for now. So let's design our dashboard. So we'll move the avatar in the first column and quest on the second. Now we're going to view our avatar as a gallery. For our quest, we didn't create buttons, but you can create one just for aesthetics. So we'll view them as a list with a quest name and a check mark. So for our reward items, we can make them aesthetically pleasing by adding pictures as covers. We'll categorize the views as the ones we've claimed, ones we can afford, and ones we have not yet claimed. Now, how do we make this aesthetic? Let's make this page match our initial images, so let's go with violet. Now, let's add a progress bar. Okay, next we will style our level. We will also label our XP and coins. And that's it. The link to your free gamified template is in the description below. And it also includes a 40% off coupon if you want full gamified version from my Etsy shop. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for these tips and tutorials. And please leave a review my Gumroad when you use the free version. Thank you so much.